Hey folks, today I'll show you how to use GLM 5.2, an open-weight model that performs close to the Claude Opus benchmarks with both Claude Code and Codex. Clawgate AI acts as a hub for all your models, with a simple pay-as-you-go pricing model. First, sign up for the Clawgate console. Next, create a project, just like this. Then create a policy, and add your project to the allowed projects list. You'll select the allowed models or a single forced model for this policy. But don't worry, you can always override this later when you create a key. You can configure daily and weekly quotas as well in the policy. For this policy, I'll add a daily limit of $10. Now, create a user and assign the policy you just made. Finally, create a key for that user. Here, I'm adding a forced model, which will override the models set in the policy. Once the key is created, you'll see the configurations for both Claude Code and Codex. Important note, this key is shown only once and you can't retrieve it later, so either email the config to your user or keep it somewhere safe and private. Now, open your project in your favorite IDE. I'm using IntelliJ for this demo. Paste the Claude configuration into the settings.local.json file like this. Then open the terminal and run Claude. That's it. You can now use Claude Code with the forced model we selected, and every stat will be recorded in the Clawgate dashboard. Next, let's configure the same key for Codex to use GLM 5.2. Go to the key page, open the Connection Setup tab, and select Codex. There are just 2 steps to configure Codex for any model. First, add the global configuration, like this. I'm using Vim CLI Editor to edit the global config file. Then, at the project level, create a .envrc file and add these 2 lines. Just replace the placeholder with your saved key like this. Now, save and exit the file. Then source the .envrc file. Finally, open Codex in your project directory, where your local config file is saved. And now, it's ready. You're running GLM 5.2 in Codex. Here's the best part. Without touching any configuration, you can switch models right from the Clawgate console. You have full control over the key from the dashboard, and all your usage stats are saved automatically. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.